Welcome to PromptKeeper.io. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to customize your theme. Simply open the Settings menu. At the top, you'll find the option to switch between light and dark mode. You can also choose to toggle the blur background on or off, depending on your preference. With blur enabled, the interface becomes more focused. Another option is Expand Prompts, which allows you to view the full text of longer prompts. Very useful when working with detailed content. Finally, there's the Close on Copy option. When enabled, the window automatically closes as soon as you copy a prompt, so you can quickly paste it where you need it. Thank you for watching.